Did you know over 10% of new vehicles have more than one battery on board? Cars today require lots of electrical power to support the many comfort, efficiency and safety features. So in some cases they have a second or even a third battery fitted, which are known as auxiliary batteries, in addition to the 12-volt starter battery. This figure is expected to grow as vehicles have increasingly demanding electrical requirements. Auxiliary batteries may be required for different reasons depending on the vehicle manufacturer. There are popular cars that now have an auxiliary battery, such as the Volvo V40, Land Rover Discovery and BMW 5 Series. In addition, we can find it in different locations. Sometimes they're under the bonnet, in the boot or a compartment inside the cabin. Finding the auxiliary battery is not always easy. As with all lead-acid batteries, the auxiliary battery has a lifespan, and at the end of it, it will need to be replaced with a suitable substitute. Luckily, VARTA have the Silver Dynamic Auxiliary range, which offer like-for-like replacements for both AGM and conventional types. To help vehicle technicians locate the auxiliary battery on the vehicle and to ensure the correct replacement, you can visit the free-to-access VARTA Partner Portal. It tells you on each vehicle make and model if an auxiliary battery is on board, where it is located and which part number should be fitted. So now you know where to look when you have a vehicle with an auxiliary battery. VARTA have the replacement batteries available and the VARTA Partner Portal to help with step-by-step instructions. If you're unsure how to access or test the auxiliary battery on your vehicle, have your battery tested at a professional VARTA partner workshop. It all starts with VARTA.